Alright kids, just a quick update on old Han Solo here. I have broken my Dremel. So yeah, we're going to work around that. I'm going back to old school carving, using a razor. What I've been doing to take off most of the deep spots is making two sideways cuts. First this way, then that way, if you can see what I'm doing here. Cutting out little V's. I can't really do it left-handed. I need to get better gear to hold my camera while I do things. Yeah, but that's on the way too. Yeah, basically that's how I made all this area. And what I've done is I'm taking this to 3 levels. The hands and the face are the 3rd level. They're the closest. They're like the top layer. Then I'm going to go with the jacket, which is really all you can see of his torso. Will be layer 2, and then the 3rd layer will be the base, the actual area of the, I don't know if you'd call it the frame, the carbonite that he's encased in. Yeah, those will be my third layer, and then I'm going to break it down even further to a 2.5 layer for the palms of the hands. The fingers will stay at layer 3. And there'll be kind of a 1.5 layer for the curvature of his garments. And then we'll go nose and hair will be kind of, I don't know, 2.75. I'm kind of making this up as I go, honestly. But yeah, that's where we're at here for the carving, and I'm not sure I'm gonna go dead on 100% according to Hoyle with the actual carving that's that's from the picture. I don't know if I can show the picture that I'm basing it off of. That might be copywritten or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not sure I'm going to go 100% original, like trying to copy the original. I'm going to use it as a guideline, but I might add some more details of the jacket. Yeah, I'm not sure. There's just not a lot of detail to the original picture. It's literally the face, the hands, the collar, and I guess the zipper or whatever the crap it he uses for the seam, and that's it. That's all there is to it. There's kind of an implication of curvature of the chest and shoulders, like they're implied more than actually done. The face is really done. The hands are really well done, and even the collar is just kind of there. Yeah, so I think I might go a little more detail. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, just to update on what I'm doing, I've switched to actual carving using stop cuts, which are when you cut to where you want to stop, and then carve to that area. And see, like here would be a stop cut. Here would be a stop cut, and then you clear out the area in between. I'm using the V, like I explained, on kind of a cross hatching pattern to shovel out this the bulk of this stuff. But yeah, just an update, let you know exactly where I am. A lot of the detail work is coming in with sandpaper, oddly enough, but that I was kind of finding that I was doing even with the Dremel. So yeah, just an update. I'm gonna get better equipment so I can do some of this as I do it instead of updating in between takes. Yeah, get more of a live what's going on. But yeah, those are all things for around the corner for now. I'm just going to keep doing updates.